Want to know how to see your recent apps or recent progress in Replit? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your replit.com website. So once you have opened it up, here you should be provided with this website right here. So once that is done, on the left side you should be seeing home, and right below home you should be seeing something known as apps, and under apps you should be seeing your recent apps, that is shown right here. So you can just simply hover on it and you can select it as well. So this will open up a new window for you that you can just simply explore, or you can just simply scroll down and you should be also seeing your recent public apps that is there. So right here you should be seeing your recent apps as well, and once you've opened up or selected apps right here on the left side, you should be under the end of the tab where it shows your current profile and then your projects. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.